China Henan Huatai Cereals and Oils Machinery Co. Ltd. is a professional manufacturer with rich experience in oil machinery field. Palm fruit oil press is the core equipment for palm oil process. The PLC control system of palm oil press can automatically control the discharge capacity, discharge speed, and pressing pressure, which really realizes fully automatic control, intelligent and continuous production. The equipment has the following features: advanced continuous double screw, durable screw and cage, adjustable hydraulic pressure of pressing chamber, small covering area, large processing capacity, high efficiency, low residual oil intake, low crushing rate of palm nut, easy to operate, easy to dismantle and maintain. Contact us. Set up the successful oil project for you. Welcome to visit Huatai. We are here waiting for you.